Welcome, I will go through some additional items that might be included in the computerized test. Some of these unusual questions will not be in the written learner's test. These questions is about the vehicle and related issues. First, the number plate and number plate lamp. All vehicles must be fitted with SAB's approved number plate and must be in an upright position. All letters and numbers on plate must be visible. A lamp must be fitted to the rear number plate and should be at least 20 meters visible to see. Next, the turning radius. You may not operate a vehicle on a public road if the turning radius is more than 13.1 meters. Silencers and exhaust pipes. You may not use a vehicle on a public road without a silencer if smoke from exhaust is so bad that it obstructs the vision of other road users. The exhaust system must be in good working order. Next, emergency triangles. If the vehicle is broken down or stationary on a public road, the triangle must be displayed at least 45 meters from the rear of the vehicle. Reflectors and reflective material. Light vehicle must have a red reflector on each side at the back. Heavy vehicle that exceeds 7 meters in length must have yellow reflectors fitted along each side of vehicle. Intoxicating liquor and narcotic drugs. No person shall drive a vehicle on a road while the concentration of alcohol in a person's body is 0.05 grams per 100 milliliters of blood or more, and 0.02 grams per 100 milliliters of blood or more in a case of a professional driver.
Seatbelts. It is compulsory for everybody over the age of 3 years, or taller than 1.5 meters, to wear a seatbelt, and the driver is responsible to ensure that this happens. Maximum permissible length. A bus or any combination of motor vehicle is 22 meters, any other vehicles 12.5 meters, trailer with a mass less than 12,000 kilograms 8 meters, trailer with a mass more than 12,000 kilograms 12.5 meters. There are 2 types of learner's license tests in South Africa. The computerized tests are gradually replacing the written tests across the country, the eNaTIS computerized test. You will be asked the answers to a series of questions from a databank of 1,500 questions. These questions will generate every time when a new test is started. I will make more videos on these to help make the learning more easy. Thank you for watching. Until next time.